Prince Harry suffers another costly setback in legal battle over British police protection. Order to pay 90% of Home Office legal costs. Prince Harry suffers another major legal battle over loss of British police protection after filing an appeal. The stricken Supreme Court decision was set aside today. Hello viewers. Welcome to Royal Revelations. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notifications bell so you will get any news about the British royal family. The Duke of Sussex is taking legal action in response to a February 2020 decision by the Executive Committee for the Protection of Royal Family and Public Figures Labecque that he will no longer receive the same level of protection from public funds. If he is in the country, Labecque's decision was the result of a change in the Duke's status as he was no longer a full-time working member of the royal family, the judge said. In February, retired High Court Judge Sir Peter Lane dismissed the Duke's case, stating that the judgment had brought him attention and prejudicial treatment, calling Labecque's approach unreasonable but procedural. Concluded that it was not unfair. After the verdict, Prince Harry's legal representative said in a statement that the prince looks forward to justice from the Court of Appeal. Today, a spokesperson for the judiciary said that although Prince Harry lost his first attempt to appeal against the decision, the Duke could still apply directly to the Court of Appeal for the green light to challenge Sir Peter's decision. Sir Peter also said in today's order that Prince Harry should pay 90% of the Home Office's legal costs, but said the department had committed breach during the legal battle that was subject to sanctions. The judge rejected Harry's lawyer's argument that costs should be reduced by at least 50%. Sir Peter said this description of partial success is unfounded. The fact that the court did not accept all of the applications made by the defendants regarding the path to dismissal of the action. This does not change the fact that the plaintiff has made a claim. The case was completely defeated. He continued. As a result, this case was largely appealed on new grounds not subject to the normal approval process. This violation resulted from a misunderstanding on the part of the defendant regarding the disclosure obligation, and the judgment needed to address this point in detail. It is therefore correct that the reimbursement of costs to the defendant is slightly, but still significantly, reduced. Prince Harry's lawyers previously told the court that he had been singled out and unfavorably treated in the taxpayer-funded decision to change his personal security level. They said the failure to carry out a risk analysis and fully consider the impact of a successful attack against him meant the approach to protecting him was unlawful and unfair. Prince Harry cannot feel at home in the UK if he is unable to protect his children Prince Archie and Princess Lilibet there, the court was told. At an earlier hearing into the case, Prince Harry said in a written statement, "This has been extremely sad for both of us. My wife and I have no choice but to resign from our jobs and leave the country in 2020. I felt that way," he said. "England is my homeland. England is at the heart of my children's heritage, and it is a place where I want them to feel at home as well as where they currently live in the United States.